In this video, we're going to discuss how to connect a hardware controller to ProScoreboard. In some setups, there may be a hardware controller that can be utilized for your gameplay. ProScoreboard supports hardware controllers from most major scoreboard manufacturers. You can find a full list on the ProScoreboard website. In order to connect your controller to ProScoreboard, you will need to find out what connections are available on the back of the unit. While these connection types may vary, the adapter needed to connect to your computer will usually be a serial to USB adapter that features the FTDI chipset. These can be found easily online or from the manufacturer of your scoreboard controller. Note, Daktronics controllers also require a null-modem serial cable. These can also be found where you are shopping for your USB adapter. Once your signal chain has been acquired, connect the output of your controller to the proper cabling. It should be marked Scoreboard output on the back of your controller, and then connect your USB adapter to your computer. Pro tip: it's a good idea to reboot your computer with the controller already connected in order to make sure it's recognized by your system. Now, let's connect the controller to ProScoreboard itself. Launch ProScoreboard, open Settings, and go to the Communications tab. On the bottom left, click Add Device, and choose your controller from the available options. This will open up a secondary window with additional settings. The only setting that needs to be adjusted here is the interface. If you are using the USB adapter for your controller, you will select USB serial. Once selected, hit Save, and then click the Connect button in the controller box. It should turn green, and you should see a serial connection badge in the main scoreboard interface. From here, you should be able to control any of the available options using your hardware controller. For certain functions, like team names for example, you may want to bypass the hardware controller in order to let ProScoreboard handle it. To do this, click on the three-dot icon on the right of the connection badge and simply check the items you'd like to control in ProScoreboard itself. If you run into any issues with setting up your controller, our support team would be more than happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.